Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to enable search history on YouTube. Log into your Google account. Go to myactivity.google.com. Click on YouTube History. Make sure YouTube History is turned on. Now under Subsetting, check the box next to Include your searches on YouTube. Click on Turn on. Setting is turned on. Click OK to close the dialog box. That's it. Search history is turned on. This is how you can enable search history on YouTube. Thank you for watching.